So I think I'll only have to speak first. So uh, yeah. So these sessions, see. So basically, in this session, what are we going to discuss is what are these sessions, what are Ignite sessions, and how the events, how these sessions are going to be conducted, and like what are the benefits of joining these sessions. And most importantly, I've heard that you guys have a lot of doubt regarding who can join the sessions. So basically, I'll be speaking on those things only, but I think it's important to share the context behind these, like why these sessions have been planned for you. So I'll speak from my experience. Like uh, I knew a person who was like a graduate from some IITs or something, but he was working in a bank abroad. So I was very curious that how he got into finance. Like he was an engineer, he was a mechanical engineer, and I was really curious that how he like what drove him towards that. So I think you all might be having some stories regarding like this only, that you must be knowing someone who is doing something else in the college but have taken job in an other field, in any other domain. So this is what the context of the sessions are, like why these sessions have been planned for you. So I'll just read out the slides next. So Ignite is going to be the flagship technical session series of our college, where all the technical clubs. So I think some outside students also have joined this session. Some students who are going to be a part of triple ITDM later after the counseling. So for those, I have a slide for all the technical clubs. I'll try to explain them later. So in these sessions, all the technical clubs, all members of the technical clubs will come together to take some sessions, skill up sessions uh, on some engineering subjects, mostly engineering, as well as subjects that an engineer that as well as some like some future prospects where an engineer can do something. So these are going to be the sessions on those domains, or on basically exploring those domains. So for the outside students, these are the technical clubs. These are some of the technical clubs that we have in our college. So the first one is Mars Club. Mars Club basically makes rovers and operates in robotics mostly. And this is the SAE club. This club makes vehicles. Earlier they used to make MBAHA, that was fully mechanical, and then they shifted to EBAHA, which has electronics basically. So, and this is the AUV club. This is they make autonomous unmanned vehicles. Sorry, autonomous underwater vehicles. So these vehicles, they make basically bots that go inside the water. And this is the robotics club. You might be having a good idea of this. And this is the TAD club. They are basically doing aero modeling and something related to planes. And this is the CS club, and this is developers club, and this is the E-cell entrepreneurial club in our college. So like I already told you the story about that guy working in finance. So this club might help you if you also want to pursue something like that. So this is system coding club. This works uh, basically in the electronics domain. And this we have a student chapter of the IEEE club. IEEE is basically an institute where electrical and electronics engineers, it's basically a symposium of electrical and electronics engineers. And recently we had a massive event organized by IEEE in our college. And then we have Optica. This is basically, this club relates to photonics and all. So moving forward, so the prerequisites, and also I'll be discussing who can attend the session. So there is no restriction to who can attend the session. Suppose some of you might already be in a club, you must have been gone through the recruitment process, and you must be already a part of a club. And some of you might not have joined the club. So anyone, like even if you are a first year student going to the second year, or even if you'll be joining the college, or even if you are in a second year going to the third year, you all can, anyone can join these sessions. Also, suppose you have joined CP club, CS club, okay, and you have joined their CP wing, competitive programming wing, and also you are interested in ML, machine learning, and you want to pursue that also. But I think you cannot join both the clubs or both the wings of the CS club simultaneously, because it would be too much of a commitment for you to handle everything. So these sessions can be very beneficial for you. So, or suppose you are, like, currently you are in mechanical department, or you want to learn something in robotics, you want to learn something in electronics, or you want to make a website. So there is no constraint. You don't have to be constrained to the branch you have. So you can, through these sessions, you can explore various other domains beyond your classroom studies. So this session is mostly about that only. I hope I made it clear, and some quotes are there. So I think I'll read this. Interest isn't found, it's discovered. So yeah, maybe you'll discover some interests by just joining the sessions. Maybe you see uh, some signal processing in MATLAB, in the MATLAB session, and maybe you'll like it. And maybe being a mechanical engineer, you'll do some MATLAB stuff. So these sessions are basically going to be this only. You can, either you can explore something, some that are going to be in your course later, but you can explore them now, or you can, like, just pursue or explore something from the other disciplines. So now we'll be moving towards how these sessions will be conducted. So each club, whichever domain it specializes in, will take sessions in that domain, in some topics of that domain, and I'll be sharing a full schedule of these sessions with you guys. I think by tomorrow, before the tomorrow session commences, we'll try to send the full schedule to you, and then I think it will, the picture will be very clear for you guys, that how these sessions are gonna be done. And also by the end of, like, each course or each topic, will the club will give you some mini projects, or you can come up with your projects also. This, but the club will try to give you some projects, and you all can apply whatever you just learned. So this will be a really, this will give you a really hands-on experience on the topics that you have just studied, because not everything you can explore or do in the labs. Okay, not everything will be a part of your course. So this can really be a good opportunity for you. And also, if you have some doubts regarding the project you are doing, either you can contact the innovation team of the technical affairs, or the club directly, whichever club took that session. You can directly contact them, and we'll try to get a clear picture of that funnel. So we'll inform you later. And yes, sessions will be open to all layers. Anyone can join, and from any branch. Doesn't matter you being from a mechanical branch or SM or electronics. Whatever session there is, if you like the name of the topic, you can just join in. You can try to explore later on. And then yes, by the end of the sessions, there will be some quizzes. On based on your attendance and your response, you'll get certificates and prize as well. If you are performing well, if you are doing good with the projects, or if you are performing well in the quizzes, then some certificates and prizes will be given to you. So the sessions will be conducted purely in online mode, through Google Meet. The link is shared already. So every day the session will be conducted. We'll be trying to conduct them at 8 p.m. So try to manage your timing accordingly. Some sessions can go for longer, and some sessions might end earlier. So try to keep at least 2 hours, or no, not 2 hours, at least 1.5 hour free after around 8 to 9:30. Try to keep them free for the next coming days. So this is what the schedule I was talking about. Uh, so these are basically some fancy stuff written here to sophisticate this. And So crack your CP problem, how to build a website in 60 minutes. I think it's an exaggeration, but so AI unleashed. Yeah, image processing, this MATLAB I was earlier talking about. So I think I'll also be joining this course. So IoT Magic and Design Sprint. So all these things will be going to be in the session. So and yeah, career prospects, and with each individual topic, the experts or the club members, they'll be mostly speaking about these things, that what are the future prospects on these, uh, regarding what are the current status of this technology, and what is the current status in industry, what is being used and what is being preferred. So yes, so these things they'll be speaking before, like as a motivation for that session. So I think you all should at least try to join the first class of every session. So maybe you'll get a clear picture. They'll also tell you about the roadmap, that how you can like explore further. So it would be good if you really want to explore. If you don't know that what where you want to go, so you can try to join this. And yeah, so Q&A, you can shoot your questions. If I was unable to clear some of your doubts, you can ask me in the comment box or the message box, sorry. So yeah, I'm open to questions now. So anyone, if you want to speak something, you can speak also. Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can just shoot it. Yeah, guys, any questions, any suggestions, or you want the sessions to go in a certain way, that also you can suggest. Also, we have a Google form at the end of this PPT. This PPT will be sharing in the channel. So also I'll just open that. Yeah. So there is promotion time. So you all can follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and we have this channel link also pasted here. So you all can just take screenshots, or anyways we are going to share them in the channel. And if you have not joined the channel yet, I think the link was provided in the mail. So you all should join, or you can straight away join from here. I'll give you some time to scan. And yeah, I can see some questions. So yeah, Kunal is asking. Yeah, recordings. Yeah, we'll try to record all the sessions, and yeah, we'll try to record all the sessions, and let's see if we are able to share them or not. Really don't have a clear idea of that, but yes, will be trying to record the sessions, and we'll get to. I'll just inform you in the channel about this. And someone's asking. No, actually, some people will be taking the SSC. The timings can be flexible as per the club whoever is organizing it. But the thing is, most of them will be doing some internships, or they most of them will be busy during the day, and I don't think people who are coming at 5 at home and they can take sessions at 6. So let's see if, yeah, some of them can be at 6, but I don't think that will be the standard time that everyone will be able to follow. So sorry. So please, I can request you to get a free slot here. around 8 to 9:30 at least. Yeah, so Sanat is asking whether the sessions are going to be hands-on or more theory-based. So Sanat, as per the requirement of the topic, see some topics you there is no theory. Like there are some theoretical stuff, but I don't think you can do really good by just studying the theory. For example, if you are taking some sessions on embedded systems, so if we'll just tell you the theory, then I don't think there's any use to it if you are not doing it something on hardware. And we'll be trying to keep it as hands on as possible. So because theoretical knowledge, I think you can get in the classrooms and everywhere. So our main focus would be to expose you to the application part. Yeah. So any more questions, guys? Yeah, Sagar. We'll be sharing that sheet with you guys before tomorrow's session. Okay. So I will try to share that by tonight only, but I think by tomorrow afternoon you will have this schedule. So and the schedule will really help you to get a clear picture of the sessions that we are going to take. Yeah, so any more doubts, guys? Or any suggestions? You can drop here anything. Yeah, so I can't name any specific app. See, tomorrow the doc will be sharing for the sessions for the schedule. In that, in those documents, the topics will be listed. Okay, and in the first session of any topic, the seniors will help you install whatever softwares are required. So you don't need to install anything earlier. And the first session will mostly be about motivation and getting you prepared to get into the original stuff. So I think first session for every topic will be for this only, for fulfilling all the prerequisites that is required for that. So you don't need to install anything as of now. Yeah. So please, guys, please ask questions. I just wanted to speak for 5 minutes and answer your questions for the rest of the time, but I only spoke for 20 minutes. So please ask questions if you have any or any suggestions, or some people who are going to join the college have also joined. So they can also ask any doubts if you have. Yeah, sure, Sanat. Yeah. Yeah, great idea. Yeah, I'll convey that to every club. Yeah, great idea, Sanat. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, anyone else, or can we just wrap it up here? Okay, so no, Mukesh, there is no limit. Can I know in what context are you asking? Like, if you're asking in the context of sessions, though, so there is no limitation to that. You can attend any session you want. Okay, so yeah, yeah. So we have a Google form at the end of this. You all can scan and mark your attendance there and drop any suggestion you have. I think I have made the suggestion part a mandatory field, so I need your suggestions, everyone. So please, you all can scan it right now and mark your attendance here and drop suggestions. Or anyways, we'll be sharing this on the channel, so you all can access this from there also. Yeah. So bye, guys.